Hello, my name is Ryan. I am in a Peter Pan class. I love my family very much. I love going to see my grandmother. I love going to see my grandfather. I am always nice to my family and friends. I am always nice to my brother and sister. I am close to my family and friends. My family lives study. My family lives South Korea. Thank you for watching.